आउने कोही नभइसक्यो आउने कोही नभइसक्यो Alright everyone, we're on our way back on the Mahogany Beach chairlift. We're heading towards the cruise port. It's been a wonderful day at the beach, but now it's time to enjoy these incredible views one last time before we say goodbye. This is a great experience since it is priced very reasonably. It takes you to the beach, which is free, and if you are averse to spending hundreds of dollars on competing experiences by paying for the various excursions that Carnival puts together, which I sure believe are also wonderful in their own way, this is just perfect. Now we are captive audiences and they could obviously charge us a higher price, but I feel that all the amenities here are reasonably priced. Now looking at the left, you can see the vibrant green waters of the Caribbean stretching into the horizon. It's even more beautiful with this giant Carnival Jubilee ship, which just looks majestic and awesome. It is always so impressive to look at the ships from anywhere but the pier. It really puts their size into perspective. As you can see, there is a walking trail down below. Now be sure to make at least a couple of trips, once through the chairlift back and forth and once using the walkway. We did both. We went back and forth twice at least to experience both of these ways of getting back and forth from the ship to the beach.
La uno.
My shoe fell off. Can I have your other one? My dad has it. Go get it from my dad. Where's your dad? He's down there. Dad! Dad! I lost it. Hi. Hi. How you doing? I love your stick.
Thank you.
Long.
Yes, it is.
I love guys with sticks.
I love your sticker. I love your sticker.
I'm not gonna lie, it's quite impressive.
For the chairlift is priced at $15 for the entire day for adults and $9 for kids between 3 and 11 years old. Of course, if you walk, the walking is free. Generally, the walkway takes around 5 to 10 minutes. The chairlift will take you around 10 minutes either way. We of course brought our own water and Red Bull, so I cannot tell you about how much the food costs here or the beverage costs here. Here is a picture of how much each amenities at the beach will cost you. Now as we glide over this wonderful greenery, which I can't even imagine, in January you can spot the walking trail that we talked about earlier winding through the trees. Now if you're a nature lover, the path is definitely worth checking out on your way back. Now there are multiple paths. You can see that we generally will see the wide trail that is used by vehicles and golf carts right down below us, but to the left along the beach is another trail which is much more closer to the experience of a hike. Now one of the best part of the chairlift is how quiet, relaxing and peaceful it is after you spend such a long time in the beach. Cool breeze as we slowly make our way back to the cruise port. Well, at least it is my experience now, which is New Year 2025. I think the summer might be very, very different and a very different experience. But anyway, the chairlift experience should definitely beat walking even in summer. Now this is a very perfect way to unwind after a day at the beach. This ride is a very good highlight of the Mahogany Beach trip. Now whether you are walking to the beach or taking this chairlift to the beach and to go back, this is an experience that you don't want to miss if you're visiting Roatán. Now let us know in the comment what you like most about the Mahogany Bay Beach. For us, this beach handily beats the other two stops from Carnival Jubilee, which are Cozumel and Costa Maya. The shopping here is not as great as the other two that I just mentioned, but the beach and chairlift experience here is the best and cannot be beat. Now thanks again for riding along with us today. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed the journey and subscribe as well. Hope to see you again in the future.